importance is of identifying food intolerances and why it's so important that we refrain from them.
The food intolerance, as we understand it, is the fundamental metabolic stressor of the body. So it's very different than a food allergy. It's very different than a food sensitivity. We're not checking to see if the body is processing with the antigen-antibody complex against, say, peanuts. And what we're checking is to see if the body actually has the ability to produce, from the DNA, has the ability to produce the enzymes necessary to break down these particular foods or combinations of foods. And so this is, we find the basic cause of toxemia in the metabolism, and this is the fundamental cause of most diseases. We know that 60% of the body's metabolic energy is used for digestion. 30% of that energy is used for brain power. Now, only 10% of the total body's metabolic power goes to muscles, which is very different than what we think. We think somehow our muscles use up all our energy. But if you have a food that takes more than 60% of your metabolism to break down, say that you're dairy intolerant and you drink milk, it's going to take more than 60% of that metabolic power. It's going to take 70 or 80%. And so if the body's taking that much energy for digestion, you will have a lot less to go over, left over for brain power, and a lot less to go to muscles. And that's where, first of all, fatigue comes from. And that's one of the first signs of a food intolerance is often fatigue.